250 Bertram, boat that I'm working on. Redoing the inverter that I removed already. Had a Outback inverter there. You can see some of the inverter wiring coming across the engine room. And then over here, we had a bank of 12 6-volt lifeline batteries that we are replacing with 4 of these lithium Victron energy batteries. And gonna be moving or installing all the new inverter equipment on this side as well, which makes more sense because it's gonna be next to the batteries and the cable run going up into the electrical panel. So that's gonna be a lot better configuration wise. Just gotta make sure it stays pretty dry in this area, and next we'll move up to the electrical panel and show you what we got going on over there. So the boat being a 250 amp 50 amp service, shore power, 240 volt, they were running a 110 inverter and stepping up the output of the inverter with this transformer right here to feed it back into the electrical panel. So my plan is to get rid of that transformer as well. And then they had the breaker feeding the inverter here, along with the source selector. But if they had it on inverter and this on, it would backfeed into itself. And these 3 outlets here were off the inverter. Little funky system there I gotta reconfigure. And I will keep you guys updated on my progress here. You want to see behind the electrical panel. A lot of fun stuff.